Are you scared? Scared that one day a machine will take your job and leave you with nothing? You're not alone. Bill Gates, one of the world's most influential men, just revealed the 3 careers that artificial intelligence will never replace. And believe me, this isn't just about technology. It's about the essence of what makes us human. Stay with me and discover why these professions hold the key to protecting your future and your soul. The first career Gates highlights is biology. Why? Because science, especially biology, is more than data and analysis. It's intuition. It's the mystery of life that no machine can truly understand. AI can process millions of data points, but it lacks curiosity, imagination, and the spark that leads a biologist to a breakthrough that changes history. Imagine medicine relying solely on algorithms without heart or doubt. Humanity would lose something fundamental: the ability to marvel, to question, to innovate with soul. The second career is software development. Artificial intelligence can write code fast, but it still doesn't understand the why behind every line. It doesn't feel the vision of a product, doesn't know what people need, and can't anticipate the future with creativity. Programming is, at its core, a deeply human act, thinking through complex problems and designing solutions no machine can foresee. And while AI may assist, that human touch, the supervision, the ingenuity will remain irreplaceable. Finally, the energy sector. Managing the world's energy isn't a cold calculation. It's making critical decisions, sometimes with life-or-death stakes. Nuclear plants, power grids, dams. Gates reminds us that AI lacks critical thinking and true responsibility to handle these unpredictable needs. Here, humanity cannot give up control, because it's not just energy. It's the survival and well-being of everyone. Artificial intelligence may change the world faster than we imagine, but these 3 professions show us something essential. There are spaces where technology can't reach, where humanity remains irreplaceable. So if you've ever felt small in the face of machines advancing, remember this: your intuition, your creativity, your sense of responsibility, that's what machines will never steal from you. And therein lies your true strength. Are you ready to defend it?